Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Ipsy Refreshed and Renewed box. This is a bundle deal that they have on their shoppers tab on their website, and sometimes I get them because they're really good. So this bundle deal is supposed to retail for about $400, and on the site they had the bundle being sold for 60 bucks. So I got one, but I also got one for our giveaway, and I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway at the end of this video. So this is the box, and it doesn't really look too different on the inside. This is the inside, and this box is skincare. This is a skincare box. I don't think there's any makeup in it, but let's go ahead and look inside. First thing we get is this Ipsy bag here, this really pretty blue bag. See that? And of course the zipper has the little Ipsy logo. And it has this energy bar. And let's read what it says here. It says, revive and rejuvenate your complexion with our sonic vibrating beauty bar. This tool helps to stimulate and depuff skin, lessen fine lines, and help products absorb more efficiently. So yeah, I think with those kind of qualities, that's something I need to try. If you guys want me to do a review on this thing, let me know, and I'll use it for like 30 days or something and let you know my thoughts on that. It has these active hair ties. Now I do use these kinds of hair ties a lot. They grip my hair really well. I've heard people with fine hair say they don't like it very much, but I absolutely love it. The next thing we got here is dry shampoo from Tarte. It says hair goals on there. Next thing we have here is Pixie Milky Tonic. This is a yoba, milk, and oat soothing toner. Now I like to apply my toner in a spray, so I'm probably going to pour this into a spray bottle and use it. Yeah, those are really good things for your skin. Alright, the next thing we got here is Gold Fathom and D Brightening Elixir. This has folic acid, there we go, vitamin C, and vitamin B and E. Let's see, this says boosts hydration and increases radiance, reduces the appearance of discoloration and redness, minimizes the appearance of fine lines. Of course, that is something that I love. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, so the next thing we got is Blotzerazzi by Beauty Blender. It says it's 2 washable cushion blotters. That's what the package looks like. I'm really kind of confused to this, so let's open. Well, let me read that real quick. It says, finally, a washable and reusable alternative to blotting papers that keeps makeup looking glowy, not greasy. Blotzerazzi provides a smooth, 100% reusable blotting surface designed to fit all contours of the face. Made for the same award-winning Beauty Blender material, your Blotzerazzi stays thirsty and absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup. The chic mirrored compact contains 2 cushion blotters for beauty touch-ups on the go. A vented back and clear hygienic separator ensures sponge freshness. And it says you can use dry, wash with liquid, Beauty Blender cleanser. Okay, yeah, we know all that stuff. Okay, so this is what it looks like out. Okay, so this is the inside. There's a protection here on the mirror, which I haven't taken off yet. And so this is the blotter right here, if I can get it out. And then there's a second one right here, a little film I guess you can leave on top of it. And of course, the back of it with the little vent. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Day Cream from 111 Skin. There you go, it's just a small tube there. But this is a very pricey brand, so I'm sure that costs a pretty penny. Okay, the next thing we got here is Youth and Glow Facial Serum from Super Kind. Okay, so this is a brightening and wrinkle care or serum. So that is what the box looks like, if you can see it. Okay, so this is what the container looks like. This is glass. It is really pretty. It has a nice cube look to it and some little bubbles. I don't know if it's showing up as bubbles on there. Do you see it? They're like little bubbles in there. Anyways, I'm kind of excited to try this. I've never heard of it, never anything with it, so yeah, it'll be a new experience. Alright, the next thing I got in here is Star Skin Nourishing Coconut Hot Oil Hair Mask. And it looks like there is just one. That's what it looks like here. I absolutely love hair masks, especially right after I color my hair because it's usually dry and brittle. And this stuff, yeah, I'm super excited about that. Alright, so there is one more item in this box, and that is Florica? I don't know if that's even right. Optum Eyes. This is an intensive revitalizing 3-in-1 eye contour cream for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, which is a huge win in my book. Alright, this is what the container looks like right here. Very nice, sleek design. And that is all the items in this Refresh and Renew box. If you are interested in entering the giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite item in the box, the first part of your email address. Follow the link that is in the description and make sure you fill that out. I'm going to compare the two. And follow the instructions there. There are multiple ways to enter past that. So you just have to follow the link and read the information down below. And again, my giveaways are always chosen at random. When the name is selected, I verify that the information is correct and that the rules were followed. And that is it. So good luck on the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video.